Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bubble outfit, specifically the Bubbly Voyage set. This is your very first ability outfit in the game, and it's super important. It grants Nikki the power to briefly float in the air after jumping, which is incredibly useful for exploring Merland. This 8-piece ensemble is obtained early in your adventure, serving as a helpful tutorial for crafting. Let's dive into how you can add this sweet, floating attire to your collection. To start, you'll need to progress through the game's prologue. During the mission titled Embark on an Unknown Journey, you'll be introduced to the heart of Infinity. Simply follow the tutorial instructions provided. You'll soon find a glowing Whimstar, which automatically grants you the sketch for the Bubbly Voyage outfit. This step is crucial as it unlocks the ability to craft this fantastic floating attire. Once you have the sketch, head into the Sketches menu, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Select the Bubbly Voyage sketch. It will likely be your only one at this point. Then, choose Select altogether all 8 necessary outfit components. Thankfully, your companion Momo will have already provided the required materials, such as 8 lampshilly and 26 threads of purity. Just hit Quick Craft to complete your brand new Bubbly Voyage outfit. Beyond the Bubbly Voyage, Infinity Nikki offers many other delightful bubble-themed outfits, especially during special seasonal events. For instance, outfits like Graceful Elegance can be found in the in-game store for 980 Stellarites. Others, such as Honey Hunt, are earned by completing objectives in challenges like floating bubbles. Always keep an eye out for limited-time banners and events, as these are fantastic opportunities to expand your bubbly wardrobe with even more unique and vibrant styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.